This is a 1978 SR500 Brat, just finished. It is about 45 degrees outside today, so pretty chilly, but wanted to start it up. I've got the temperature gauge, old style on it, just for test purposes. LED lights all around, high fender up front. Custom subframe tank from an XT500, mounted similar to how the TT and 500 tank mounts. LED brake and turn signals on the rear as well. It is freezing cold out today. Oops, freezing cold out today, but I'm gonna try to start it up here without shaking the camera too much. Let's see, get petcock on. Let's see. Sorry for the camera work here. All right. Get the top dead center in the window here. So just kick it over a few times till she's there. And there we go. I installed an LED neutral light here. The mile per hour gauge is backlit, but that's the only indicator light. If your turn signals are on, you know the turn signals are on. Brake light. And yeah, sounds pretty good. Put powder-coated frame, rims, just about everything else. Swing arm, custom seat, obviously. Battery box has a capacitor, kickstart only, so there's no battery on it, but all the electronic and wires and stuff are under there. Let it warm up here for a second. Turn the fuel on, that would help. It's got a spark indicator. Wake the neighbors a bit. So yeah, just touching up a few things before she's ready to go for sale. And it's just kind of a little city brat, but pretty fun to ride around. Custom paint, obviously, on the tank, and matching headlight, high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. And as you can see, I've put 6 miles on it so far. Yeah, that's it. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.